I can hear the rooster. I can hear the rooster. Rooster.
It is 5 o'clock in the morning. It is 5 o'clock in the morning.
Let us get up. Let us get up.
The sky is clear today. The sky is clear today. I am making toast now. I am making toast now. The tea is hot. Be careful. The tea is hot. Be careful.
We should water the vegetables first. We should water the vegetables first.
Put on your overalls, George. Put on your overalls, George.
I am ready. Let us go. I am ready. Let us go.
The farm looks beautiful this morning. The farm looks beautiful this morning.
The chickens are calling us. The chickens are calling us. I am taking the hoe from the barn. I am taking the hoe from the barn.
There is mist on the fields. There is mist on the fields. I can hear the birds singing. I can hear the birds singing.
Take this basket, Rose. Take this basket, Rose.
The vegetables are growing well this week. The vegetables are growing well this week. I am watering the tomatoes now. I am watering the tomatoes now.
The soil is very dry today. The soil is very dry today. We must pull these weeds out. We must pull these weeds out.
Look at this cabbage, George! Look at this cabbage, George!
I am cutting the cabbage carefully. I am cutting the cabbage carefully.
The basket is getting full. The basket is getting full. Do not forget to feed the chickens. Do not forget to feed the chickens.
I am throwing the grain now. I am throwing the grain now. There are 6 eggs in the nest. There are 6 eggs in the nest.
Carry the eggs gently, George. Carry the eggs gently, George.
The strawberries should be ripe now. The strawberries should be ripe now.
They are so red and beautiful. They are so red and beautiful. I am picking the biggest ones. I am picking the biggest ones.
This one tastes very sweet. This one tastes very sweet.
We will make jam with these tomorrow. We will make jam with these tomorrow.
The apple tree is so tall this year. The apple tree is so tall this year. The goat is eating my hat! The goat is eating my hat!
Oh, chase it, George! Quickly! Chase it, George! Quickly! Quickly!
I caught the hat. I caught the hat. It is fine now.
That goat is very naughty. That goat is very naughty.
I am reaching for the red apple up high. I am reaching for the red apple up high.
Put the apples in the basket, please. Put the apples in the basket, please. The cows are waiting for us at the fence. The cows are waiting for us at the fence.
I milked the cow yesterday morning. I milked the cow yesterday morning. I am milking the cow now. I am milking the cow now.
The bucket is almost full. The bucket is almost full.
We need to hoe the corn row next. We need to hoe the corn row next. I am hoeing near the corn stalks. I am hoeing near the corn stalks.
Oh no! The eggs are on the ground! Oh no! The eggs are on the ground!
Stop. I will pick them up carefully. Stoop. I will pick them up carefully. We still have many eggs, do not worry. We still have many eggs, do not worry.
Let us rest here for a moment. Let us rest here for a moment.
The water from the well is so cold. The water from the well is so cold.
We worked very hard this morning. We worked very hard this morning.
The cat is sitting on the fence over there. The cat is sitting on the fence over there.
Come here, little cat. Come here, little cat.
I will hang the hoe back in the barn. I will hang the hoe back in the barn.
I am going to cook soup with these vegetables. I am going to cook soup with these vegetables.
We are back in the kitchen. We are back in the kitchen.
Put the basket on the table, George. Put the basket on the table, George.
The farm gave us a good morning today. The farm gave us a good morning today. I can still hear the rooster. I can still hear the rooster.